You guys can see this is how broken it is. So when you're taking it out, just to make sure you don't break it, so it will gonna hurt your finger really bad. Just put it up, pull it up nicely with one of these business card. You can get any business card. So as you guys can see, I have properly removed the old previous broken tempered glass from my iPhone X. So I'll let's start putting in the new one. So this is the tempered glass. I got it from the market. It's called tempered glass screen protector, world best real tempered glass, 9-inch super hardness. It says here it's if you guys can see it properly, it says clear, anti-scratch, anti-shock, touch easily, white protective. So let's open this up and see what this one is all about, and we'll learn how to put the tempered glass properly with no air bubbles. That's more important. I'll just open it. Let's see what it comes with. It comes with one tempered glass here, clear glass. Let's see what's inside in it. It has a cleaning material inside, so let's open this up and let's see what this one is about. So it comes with the sticker here, and alcohol pre-pad, alcohol for external use, one pad saturated, 70% alcohol. It says apply alcohol pram in a circular motion on an injection site outward. So I will teach you guys, properly guide you how to do all this. So what's first what I'm gonna do is take this fiber cloth and clean the phone nicely in a circular motion or any motion you like. Just make sure there's no dust left here, and then take this alcohol pad. This is usually a wet cloth. So clean your phone again. Yeah, make sure if there's any dirty spots on the screen of the phone. It usually gets it when you change your screen protector after a couple of months, 6 months or 7 months. But this one seems okay, but it's still, I'm just gonna clean it nicely. As you can see how wet it is. Let's take this cloth again and try to dry all this up. Try to go in circular motion, so you will cover all the parts of the screen. Now, as you can see, it's all dried up. So what I'm gonna do is take this cloth and go like this. If there is dust particle on the top, I'll make sure there's no particle left, because if there's particle left and we install the tempered glass, it's gonna leave bubbles on the phone. So I'm trying to make sure I have covered all these sides. Usually use these stickers to put the glass properly, but I'll tell you how to do it without that. That's much simpler. Again, so I can tell you there's no dust particle left here. I have to clean it properly. So what I'm gonna do is, so that's my tempered glass. On the top it says number 1. I'm gonna put this phone on a straight position, horizontal position. Turn this phone on a little bit, and take out this plastic from here. Okay, hold it from this thumb, take it out, and do you if you can see it properly, this round curve here, you have to match with the round curve here. So this is just to make sure it settle in properly to the screen. It doesn't go onto any other position, don't slides in. So there was a dust particle here. Okay, I have to remove it, turn it on. So I'll make sure this part, if you guys can see it properly, this curved will settle in properly onto the black portion of the screen here. I'll make sure it does. And try to put this part first on iPhone and this part hanging on the top, okay? Don't put that in. So once you make sure this one is properly lined up, put your both fingers here like strongly so it doesn't move, and you can turn off the phone now here, turn off the brightness, and you can put this in. From this side, you can drop the screen protector onto the screen. So half work is done for now. Leave it on, and you can see after 15-20 seconds, the glass glue will directly goes to the phone automatically. You don't even have to do anything. If you guys can see it, only this part is left now. So what I'm gonna do, clean it nicely. Just to press it firmly so it will stick on, the glue sticks on properly. As you can see, there is smudges on the screen protector. Just press it in hard. These will go away, and this will usually 90% these goes away with when you start using a screen, because when the screen heats up, these smudges will go away automatically. So yeah, it's done. It's pretty simple. So you can see here it's pretty smooth. I can type it properly. Looks fine. The touch is okay, and there's the good thing is there's no air bubbles, and it's properly lined up. Here it's properly lined up to the center of the screen. It's not going towards right or left. It's properly aligned on the center of the screen. Once applied, this screen protector provides fantastic protection for your iPhone. It does not interfere with the responsiveness of your iPhone, and that lets you enjoy all the feature of your phones. You can easily navigate all the parts of the screen with the pinpoint accuracy. And this lets you write long tags with no mistakes. As you guys saw, this screen protector can be fitted in a second and provides the better protection overall to your phone, and can be installed with any case. So if you guys like this video and find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.